The euro is slowly but surely regaining ground after plunging to a 20-month low. The results of the ECB meeting confirmed market expectations that the regulator may take a more hawkish approach due to soaring inflation. The euro as well as other cross-currencies slowed down their rise following weak retail sales data, so the US dollar may even grow slightly. The figure turned out to be rather discouraging. At the end of the last year, retail sales volumes dropped to 2% from 8.2%. Analysts had expected a decrease to 5.5%. In monthly terms, retail sales declined by 3% in December, versus the forecast reading of 0.4% decline. Nevertheless, it's too early to talk about the end of the rally of the euro of the pound sterling. Many analysts believe that the NonFarm Payrolls report will be weak. If it's true, the greenback is sure to nosedive. The unemployment rate is likely to remain unchanged. However, the economy is projected to add only 30,000, which is rather a modest increase. This figure is at least 5 times lower than necessary for a stable labor market. Apparently, the period of rapid employment growth has come to an end. So, in the near future, unemployment may start growing again. Naturally, such a scenario will be extremely bearish for the US dollar. The euro-dollar pair added 200 pips yesterday. It triggered an initial upward movement, which helped the pair to break through the important target levels. The reason for such sharp swings was a high speculative activity rather than technical indicators. The daily chart shows a downtrend. It means that a short-term correction may easily turn into a long-term one. If so, it may trigger a trend reversal. However, it's better to wait for technical indicator signals. The price returned to a high of January 14 amid the initial movement. At the same time, the volume of long positions did not decrease. It indicates that speculators continue to ignore technical analysis signals. To resume a solid upward movement, the pair needs to hold above 1.1500. In this case, it will be a confirmation of the prolonged correction. It will also stir up demand for the euro. However, an upward inertial movement will not last forever. Sooner or later, the euro will become overbought. It's likely to lead to a drop in the long positions and a downward technical correction. The pound-dollar pair resumed a strong upward movement, hitting the resistance level of 1.3600. There was a decline in the volume of long positions near this level. It pushed the pair to the narrow range. As a result, it retreated from this level. And now it's very important to pay attention to the level of 1.3600. If the pair consolidates above this level on the daily chart, it will surely keep growing. It will also trigger a trend reversal that may push the pair to a high of 1.3747. However, the greenback may regain ground amid a pullback in the pound sterling. Yet, a trend reversal looks unlikely now, so speculators will focus their attention on the 1.36 level. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.